Have you heard about the block party? It's the newest collection from the Doux, and today I'm going to be trying their anti-humidity gel for my wash and go. This is the Block Party Anti-Humidity Gel from the Doux, brand new release. This is gonna be my first time trying it. I just got it. I can't wait because I love the Doux, so I'm excited to see how this gel works for my wash and go. Okay, before I start, this is a little different, but I am gonna be putting these gloves on to do my hair today because I have a nail that broke, like kind of bad. And oh great, now the glove broke. The nail broke, I don't know how, I don't know why, and I just don't want, while it's healing, I don't want any product to get in it, so I have been trying to cover it up as best as I can, like with Band-Aids and whatnot. There's a Band-Aid on it, but you know Band-Aids. I don't need two gloves, but I'm just gonna put the other one on. The only weird thing about wearing gloves to do my hair is I can't really feel what's happening on my hands, so whatever. I'm not doing any leave-in with this gel. Well, let's read the directions first, huh? So the whole purpose of this Block Party collection is supposed to be about anti-humidity products. I didn't get the whole collection. I just got this gel because that's all I need, or that's all I wanted really to try. So it says blocks humidity and resists frizz while defining curls and reducing shrinkage. Ooh, we like that. Firm hold formula, we like that too. Enhances natural curl pattern with high shine and improved drying time for styles that last in any weather. Improved drying time, that's interesting. What's good? Resists humidity, defines curls and coils, we know. For best results, apply product to clean, wet hair that is free of oil and leave-in conditioner. Hey, I was right. Apply in small sections, smooth gel from root, okay. Smell test. Ooh, that's nice. This smells really good. Let me get my spray bottle. What's interesting is that this is definitely giving me, oh, it has glitter in it. There's glitter in the gel. This is so cute. I don't know if it'll pick up on camera. I don't know if you can tell, but there's glitter in here and that's really cute. Anyways, I'm getting summer vibes from this gel. Very interesting. The fact that it's anti-humidity and the smell of it, the shimmer and the glitter, I don't know. It's just giving summertime vibes. Although we are in the dead of winter. I have not watched any reviews on this product before trying it. I didn't want to go in with any type of knowledge about how it would work or, you know, bias. So yeah, this is going to be my first impression and review of what I think. If you didn't know, I'm obsessed with the Doux. Like, I love this brand. They just always get it right. First of all, just from their whole aesthetic to their marketing to the products, they always get it right. Like, always. I'm not saying that I've tried every product from them. I've not tried every single Doux product, but the products that I have tried always turn out to be just really good. Like, they know how to make good products. They stick to what they say the products do. Like, you know, you try products sometimes and it's like, it says it's gonna give you these type of results, but it doesn't. And I've just never experienced that with the Doux products. They all are winners for me. And I see a lot of other people that love them too. So not only like are they just good products, like they usually tend to end up being like some of my faves, like top of the line, especially their gels. Y'all know I love a good gel. Me and Stronghold gels are just a match made in heaven, and the Doux gives me that. Like, they know what they're doing when it comes to these Stronghold gels, the Firm Hold gels, and I guess now the anti-humidity gels, even though some of their other gels are probably anti-humidity too. Maybe not necessarily formulated, but for the most part, the Doux gels that I've tried, nothing is getting through them, bro. They have such good hold. Like Big Papa, oh, that's an Old Faithful. I haven't used Big Papa in a while. Big Papa, Bananas, what's the other one? B-Girl, how could I forget B-Girl? So I really have no doubt that I'm gonna love this gel. See what I mean? So I mean, I kind of just have a feeling that I know I'm probably going to love my results, especially with already how my hair is feeling and looking. Like I said, with having these gloves on, it's a little bit harder to feel what's happening on my hair, but I still can a little bit. And I have eyes, hello. I can see how the curls are looking. This elongation, they did say reduce shrinkage, so. Now, I won't be able to test the anti-humidity claim just yet because there's no humidity to be found. It is very much cold outside, and I guess we'll have to see about that in the summertime, but I don't doubt that claim. I would say the bottle does say that it is made for the gel will withstand, well, let me see what it says. Styles that last in any weather. It probably means the cold as well. I guess that means that it's gonna hold up in the cold as well. You know, the wintertime brings a different set of environmental factors from the summertime. When it's hot, we have the humidity and the heat that make our hair swell up. But the wintertime is just like dryness, the dry and cold air and the wind. It has been super windy lately. And sometimes that will mess with your hair too. That can mess up your style. Sometimes your wash and goes. At least for me, sometimes when a bunch of wind is going through my hair, it brings on the frizz. I like to keep my hair very wet. I mean, any style that I'm doing, I like to keep my hair pretty wet so that the product, you know, it helps the product to absorb. But specifically, if I am using a stronghold gel, they tend to apply better on very wet hair. I don't know, somehow it helps with the curls staying elongated, and it helps with the product just kind of melting into the hair. The result is just different. Somehow I see the difference. So I don't know, it just works better when my hair is very wet. I mean, to be all the way real with y'all, I didn't think I would see the day when I actually said this, but I'm getting tired of wash and goes. I don't know what it is. I think I'm just like ready for something new with my hair, and I'm getting a silk press pretty soon, and I might just keep my hair like that for a little while, or maybe for the rest of the winter. I don't know. Maybe I just need a protective style. I don't want to do my hair anymore. And these ends need to be trimmed. You know when you have that itch to go back to straight hair and you're like, no, maybe I just need fake straight hair. I might have even straightened my hair today, but I really wanted to try this gel out. Okay, and this is what we're looking like, fully styled. I'm done applying the gel. As you can see, there's like not an ounce of frizz on my hair. I love it. I just realized this was almost a full wash day of the Doux, except for my shampoo. I used the Sweetest Thing deep conditioner from the Doux, and I only used their gel as my styling product. So if my shampoo was from the Doux, it would have been a full wash day of the Doux. But yeah, I'm gonna go diffuse my hair. I don't know, I just feel like diffusing is the answer today. I don't know. I'm gonna go diffuse my hair until it is fully dried, and I will be back with the results. The Doux does it again. I mean, let's get into these results, okay? Frizz, none. Definition, yes. Hold firm. Elongation, yes. I mean, just all the things that you want and love in your wash and go. Like, I don't know how I have definition and volume at the same time right now. Is that not like... So yeah, I am in love with my hair, loving my results. There is a lot of hold to it. I don't have any flaking. I've been moving my hair around and doing all of this for the past few minutes, and yeah, there's just no complaints. Of course, there is a little bit of crunch. I don't mind that. If you do, something to be something to take notice of. But I expect that with a firm hold gel and to get these kind of results. I can't say a comparison to Big Papa or B-Girl. I would say it is pretty similar to B-Girl and Bananas as far as the hold and the definition that you get. But I haven't tried those gels in a while. But I would say as far as quality, it is definitely the same quality that we know and love from the Doux. If you like any of their other gels, you will probably like this one as well. I'm obsessed. I can't even believe this is day one hair. Like I feel like I need somewhere to go right now. Like I gotta go somewhere for this hair to be seen. So yeah, first impression of this gel, I absolutely love it. If anything changes, or you know what, I will try to come back in a few days. So I have a quick little update. Today is day 3 of my wash and go, and my hair still looks really good. Not much has changed. Honestly, day 3 is usually my favorite day of my wash and go. I just feel like that's when it typically looks the best. But the crunch is still there, the definition is still there, the volume. The only thing that has changed, I will say now, I can see a little bit of flaking. Not too crazy, it's not like snowing, but there's a little bit of flaking that is happening. But with the way that this gel has been working, the way my wash and go is going, I'm pretty confident that I will be able to get another at least 3 to 4 days out of this style. But that's all I have. It's another winner for me. This is going in my favorite gels collection. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to catch more of my videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.